Hello, this is Jack. In this tutorial, you will learn the actions needed to create a simple platform system to base your games on. I have pre-made the room here with the bar minimum stuff required for a platform system. You have your player, the platform, and the wall, in which this case will behave like a ladder. As you probably already knew, that means we have 3 sprites and subsequently 3 objects derived from them. Let us inspect the object properties dialog. For the platform, all you need to be concerned about is that it should be ticked as solid. You can leave the ladder object properties as it is. Don't have to do anything special for it. The player object properties will contain all the codes for this example. The first thing we'll be tackling is the step event. And the first thing the step event will do is to check whether the player is in mid-air or standing on the platform. If it is in mid-air, turn on gravity. If not, turn it off. The next thing to tackle is its eventual collision with the platform. To stop the player from going past the platform, we use the move to contact action to take care of that. A very cool function that is unfortunately too easily taken for granted. Then the next thing one should do is to reset vertical speed to 0, because even though the step event will turn off gravity as soon as the player lands, its vertical speed had already been increased incrementally by the gravity that was previously activated. Implementing the left and right function using the jump to position action. As always, make sure we do a collision-free check for the direction it is jumping to before we do the jump. Running the program now, we will see that the character moves left and right smoothly. It's time to implement the jump function. The jump function is really simple. All we do is check if the player is on the ground by a collision check action. If so, set its vertical speed. Looks like I need to increase the jumping speed. Okay, now it can jump over the platform. Now, if you do not require ladder for your game, you can stop the tutorial here. But if you would want to, let's move on. We have to modify the step event to accommodate the ladder function. Basically, what I'm doing is detect whether the player is in the same location as the ladder. If so, turn off gravity and set vertical speed to 0. The up function also have to be modified. If the player is on a ladder, the player should climb instead of jump. Of course, before the climb, always do a collision test for the location to climb to. Make sure to tick relative even though it is not shown here on the screen. Okay, it's not working. I think I've forgotten to choose the ladder for the object to detect. That should fix it. It is climbing up, but it ain't going down. Implementing the down function is simple. Check whether it's on the ladder. If so, go down. Of course, as usual, check for collision before going down. That's all you have to do for a simple platform system. This is also a good template to start refining from. Have fun creating games!